Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the wall's fire rating and locating studs and services. You need to respect the firewall classification. Next, choose approved cable and conduit and lay out the shortest route through a non-structural zone. Once done, shut off nearby electrical runs and clear the work area. Make a precise entry mark. Make sure to have fire stop materials on hand and read their installation instructions so the sealing step is immediate after running cable. Begin the cut carefully. Use a hole saw or core drill, sized only to fit the conduit or grommet, and avoid enlarging the opening. Then install the sleeve or intumescent grommet so the wall assembly remains compliant. This also protects cable sheaths. Pull your cables gently through the sleeve, leaving a service loop and ensuring no sharp kinks. Maintain clearance from electrical wiring as required. Finally, inspect the fit so the sealing materials will bond properly when applied. Finish by applying an approved fire stop sealant or mortar to fully fill the annular space, following manufacturer depth and cure instructions. You want an airtight, compliant seal. After curing, label each cable end and run continuity and performance tests to confirm signals are intact and no damage occurred. If tests fail or the seal cracks, stop work immediately, remove the failed sealant, clean the penetration edges, and reapply or call a certified fire stop installer to avoid compromising.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.